Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going V-part. V-part definitely gives tape-ins, clip-ins, sew-ins, glue-ins. It just gives the look of the Va Boom, the It Girl, a little bust down, a little fullness, maybe even a little length, but you don't want the lace wig vibe. This is your happy medium and you can actually do this at home. You can take it right on and right off. So you don't need a salon, no booking, no fee, no nothing. Buy your wig, and when you want this look, it's so easy to achieve. I like mine's tucked behind my ears for a simple, elegant look. And then you kind of pull your little sideburns out. And I also love it when it's a little frizzy because it just gives a little bit more natural. Let me show you guys what she looks like from the back. Nice blonde ombre action. So if you want to get the deets and see how I installed this bombshell look, let's get started. Okay, love bugs. So I've been rocking the Au Naturel the last couple days, and as you guys can see, I am in desperate need of a stylist. I need someone to go in, and I just can go to them once or twice a month, and they can just take over when it comes to maintaining my natural hair. It's just lifeless. It's just lifeless. So I have a solution today. This is going to be a temporary fix, and this can definitely work for you guys too. So Nadula Hair sent me over this beautiful bombshell. She has this beautiful natural brown to like this beautiful chocolate brown color ombre. It's done so beautifully in gradient. It's not just like anything cheap, definitely high quality. And what's so special about this wig is that it is a V-part wig. So the V-part wigs are back in style, and these are a great way to give you a break from your natural hair when you just want to pull it up and you kind of want more of like a sew in or like a tape in extensions or even like a clip in extension style. And this to me is the best solution. So they sent this one over in a beautiful brown ombre. She's nice and full. She's giving a vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on really quickly. And you guys know with these, as long as your hair is ready to go, this is like a 2-minute install. Here's like the inside construction of the cap. Now it does come with these little straps right here. I feel like they put these in as a formality. Once you cut these little straps off, number one, the wig is yours. And then number two, it's also a way to keep some structure. So like if you purchase the wig and you want to sit it on like a wig head or something for a while you style it, you can do so. And then again, once you cut these straps off, you are ready to install. So I went ahead and cut mine off, and this is that V shape that makes this a V part. Flip it around, and this is the inside construction of the cap. The actual like installation point is lined with wig clips, and the clips make this noise when you open them. And then you also have combs in there which you can just slide right in, but literally you put your hair through the clip like this, slide it in place, lock it in. So as I mentioned, you do have 4 of those on the perimeter of the hair, and then you also have some combs, one on each side, and then you also have a comb at the nape. You also get your adjustable strap, and then of course you have the adjustable removable elastic band. So I'm going to adjust mine really quickly, and then we are going to begin the install process and watch this be like so simple, so quick, so easy. Look at how small you can shrink it. This is literally one of my daughters, like my youngest daughter's head size, and of course you can pull it out to adjust it. It's about there, and this should be more like my size. And again, you can take this out if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in just to make sure mine fits nice and snug. Now let's get to it. parted the hair out, and we did it kind of sort of in the shape of a V. I went a little bit wider with my V so I can have extra hair left out to make sure we cover the weft. So let's go ahead and install quickly, and then we will see if we can style this one really cute. Installed. Now I'm going to begin the process of styling it. So first thing is to make a good center part. That looks pretty good. We kind of make sure we comb it out. We take the hot comb, and I mean the goal really is to just do one heat pass, but because my hair is not trained, sometimes I will have to go over it when it puffs up. And look at how beautifully it matches before I even like brush it or blend it in with just one heat pass. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the opposite side. We want to make sure the hair is combed out before we press it, just to make sure it comes out nice and smooth. That way you only have to go with one heat pass. Also, I don't mind if I don't get the root super good, because when the root is a little bit puffier or thicker, it just appears thicker, you know? That's one heat pass, and look at how well it blends. Now again, I'm very tender-headed, so I kind of like hold the hair while I brush or comb. Now that everything is in and ready, this is how we're looking. So of course you can take and just straighten out your extensions, because it's already a straight texture obviously, but also it's been in a box through shipping and handling, so you want to get any crimps out and, you know, just soak it out. You can add a silkening mist, a heat protectant, a serum, an oil sheen. You can curl it or bump the ends, and always don't forget the under. Now if you can see, the ombre starts here, but my natural hair is longer than the ombre, so it should like seamlessly cover. So you can do one of two things. You can take a wax or a serum. I think I'm gonna go with the serum today and hope for the best. I just put a slight amount and we'll mostly focus it on the ends, and I just want to like scrunch it in, and then you can work your way up, because I almost want it to like marry. And this is the look. You guys know I love tucking it behind my ears. If you tuck it behind your ears, you most certainly can bring some sideburns forward. And that's pretty much it. Very natural, very cutesy. I know we said we can do either or when it came to the product, but if you do want to lay it down just a little bit up top, you take that wax and you put it in your hand, because that wax kind of is like my anti-frizz solution. And I don't know, this is my favorite way to wear it. Simple, cutesy, sleek. You can take the pin or the hair clip. And look how cute. Take it off your head, or off your neck rather, and you are good to go. This is what it looks like from the back. Super gorgeous, super gorgeous. And I love the fact that this color gives it a nice little kick. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. You guys already know I have a link to this one in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches! Nadula.